Back to back without a combo. Nigga get it more chips than a nacho. Damn, my pockets built like a novel. Life like a bike, I'ma push it to the throttle. If that is your bitch, I'ma make her swallow the bottle. Damn, they fuck with my flow. That's that Chattahoochee. I'm not talking river. See, I'm hanging with the stars like a big dipper. Smoking on too much gas, I'm a big tripper. I know niggas bang red, there's some big clippers. Cut them up like clippers. Yeah, slice them in half like some fucking scissors. See, I know some real niggas that eatin' for dinner. They gon' shoot at all his kidneys and his fucking liver. Damn, they gon' kill his wife and his children. Damn, they gon' have all their bodies missing. That's a fucking mystery. I'm not talking about a van. I only do what I can. See, I'm the fucking man, sipping lean and popping Zans. And then I smoke the weed and now I'm in a trance. I got a bad bitch on my lap. What the fuck is that? You got the thunder, no zap. The claws on applause. Clap. Damn, I think I fucking stutter. Now I get it like it's butter. See, there is no fucking other. Half these niggas are in trouble. See, I'm ballin' so hard they gotta put me in a double. I can't be fucked with. I'm unfuckwittable. You are ungettable. You a pussy nigga, yes, you are unforgivable. And in Liverpool. Let a nigga follow me, he get that harpoon. I'm not talking fucking spit. See, I got a bad bitch, he spits like it's chills. See, she hit it splits like it's fucking chills. See, the diamonds cleared in the chandelier. I'm ballin' harder than LeBron with the Cavaliers. And if she come home with me, she gonna disappear. See, I'm the fucking rookie of the year. I'm not running, man, I'm right here. Let a nigga try me, I'm gonna have to catch behind me. Hitting up my nigga Mitchell and my nigga Scotty T. Rickin' and my nigga Ty and Crystal had the body. Damn, I got 12 right behind me. That's that red and blue. I'm not gonna call it truth. See, I turn your ass purple, we gon' turn your ass loose. I be sippin' on that lean and they be fucking wicked goose. I'm the motherfucking truth, you's a motherfucking lie. Why'd you even fucking try? Why did you come and reply? See, these bitches, they deny. When you look them eye to eye, that's that motherfucking communication. And this is transportation, this is elevation, this that next great shit. Get your level up, yeah. And it's time for us to level up. That's an upgrade. You cannot be saved. The beat has got tamed. The beat has got slayed.